These are the exhaust pipes of the gold Yamaha. I made it about 20-something years ago. When I got it back from the chrome platers, I couldn't figure out how to put it back together again. So this time around I'm doing a video of how I take it to pieces, so I shouldn't really have a problem again. I'll take the back one off first. That's the one that goes down to the back. I've got a join up here. So take a piece like this. See? It comes around like that. So it actually goes around there, across the top there. Okay? So it comes back, and then it goes underneath to there. So what I must do is I've got this curly piece here. It goes inside there first, and then it comes back. There you go. Where is it? I can't do the fucking thing now.